YouTube? My name is Mario Trades. I am a full-time day trader, and I'm here to show y'all, give y'all the steps and the tools to give y'all a game plan and give y'all the route that I took. My route was kind of different than a lot of other people. Um, I was working a part-time or 9 to 5, as some would say, and not gonna lie, I worked at the hospital. I loved it. I love the certainty of income. I love the like you get a check every 2 weeks for sure. Like no matter what, you have that check 2 weeks coming in. And a lot of people don't use it to their advantage. A lot of people use that and get comfortable and end up falling behind in life or whatever. But that's not me. I was using my money to forward it and put it in something else. So I was working 9 to 5 around September. Our whole department got laid off, and I just couldn't get hired again. And I used to pray I used to pray to God to become a full time day trader, and entrepreneurship and all that. And not gonna lie, the journey is very, very hard. Not knowing if you're gonna make enough. But I'm saying, like, just you need that certainty that the 9 to 5 give you. But after I couldn't find a job, I just said forget it, and I locked in with trading. Um, so one of the reasons that I can stay full time is because one, I live below my means. Right. So that's the first thing. One, I live below my means. Right. I live in a high rise, of course, but that's probably it. Um, I do have a kid, and yeah, I live below my means, and whatever overhead I do have, I use it to pay bills forward. I don't try to get any jewelry or nothing like that. Not right now. I don't care for a nice car, nothing right now. I got a pretty decent car, but other than that, I'm not too interested in spending my money on useless things that's just going to depreciate, right? So one, I live below my means. Two, you need to have a game plan, right? Do you really become want to become full time? Is full time trading for you, right? Have a plan with your funding accounts, the route you're going to take while you're full time, what you're going to do while you're at home, because it gets to a point to where, bro, you're going to get depressed, not depressed, but you're going to get like it's going to get boring because while you're full time, not working or nothing like that, all your friends, all your family, even if you have a partner, you and your partner, they still have to work. They still have a life. So now it's just you on this solo journey alone. So what are you gonna do? How are you gonna do it? And what are you gonna do with your free time? Are you gonna use that to make content and do other things, or are you gonna what I'm saying? It's just up to you. Gym, it's a lot of different things you can do. So one, live below your means. Two, have a game plan. Three, expenses. So what I mean by expenses is how much is your monthly bills? How much do you have saved up for ahead of time in case anything happens? In case you blow a funded account? In case you have a red month, red week, red day because it happens? What is your rebound off of that? For me personally, I paid off my rent for 3 months, and I was like, okay, all I have to do is get a payout of my monthly bills. I came to the conclusion that I don't need $10,000 payout, $20,000 payout. It's going to come with due time. But as of right now, let's get those monthly bills taken care of. And I've been doing wonderful with just targeting monthly bills, living below my means, and having my game plan. And if you look behind me, you see my mirror. Everything is on my mirror, right? So that's the main gist of it. Having a game plan, having those expenses down packed, and living below your means. Those are the first three, right? So after that, right? So if you got two tables, right? I know y'all hear this everywhere. If you got two tables, one has 4 legs and one has one leg, you cut off one leg, that table will fall, this table will lean. Make a business around your skill set, right? Nothing is wrong with monetizing yourself on top of trading. So for me personally, I have a chat. I do have a chat which I help people. We have a lot of testimonials and everything. Let me just get y'all a look right quick. Testimonials tab right here. I have testimonials for days, and these are not even all my testimonials. I have a lot of testimonials on my Instagram, right? But if you want to come join, 50% off, right? 80% off with code Welcome50, link in bio. But make a business around your skill set. Try to get monetized on YouTube. Post them Instagram reels. You know, make your chat. You know, generate more money off of something you already know. It's nothing for me to pick up this camera and record because I'm already doing this stuff. I'm already trading and stuff like that. So it's nothing for me to hop on a call with the students or hop on a call and share my screen because I'm already doing it. So add other sources of income surrounding your skill set, right? So you're not just dependent on trading alone because trading is not guaranteed money. Trading is not. We wake up every single day. We wake up every day fighting for our lives. Well, not fighting for our lives. Let me not say that because if you have a plan and a skill set, the right skill set and the right execution, you're not fighting for your life. But we don't know if we're gonna win or lose every single day. Every day is not a guaranteed win. You might have a losing streak, right? So you want chances for other money to flow in. If one thing of trading, if trading going bad, you at least want your chat and YouTube to be monetized. If YouTube going slow, you still got trading in your chat. If your chat dead, you still got the skill set of trading, and you still got YouTube you can post on to bring in some extra source of income on top of your trading income, right? Funded accounts. Funded accounts are your best friend. For people like me who didn't have a lot coming up and who needed to, make a way, funded accounts are your best friend, bro. Like, it don't make no sense. You have MFF, you got Top Step, you have Perdia. I heard they were a good one. You have Take Profit Trader, and really, this is it, right? You can get max accolation with Top Step, 5 accounts, and do 1K a week. That's 5K, 5K a week. If let's cut it in half because let's say you're not guaranteed to make 1,000. That's 2,500 a week. 2,500 times four is what? Boom, full time. As long as, bro, your bill should not be no 5,000 a month. It should not be that serious. Your bill should not be that high. And that's just an example of a top up account. You got an MFF account. You can have 3 with them. Let's say again you're doing 500 a week. That's 1,500 a week times 4 weeks in a month. Come on now. I feel like a lot of people take the word full time and they don't see how easy it is because everybody wants the Ferrari, everybody wants the Lamborghini, everybody. But I care about time. Now I only care about time. As long as I got time for myself, time for my son, and I can move at free will, I'm okay, right? I don't need 50K in a month, 100K in a month. Those days are coming, but that's not a necessity right now. And one thing I want to adjust is a non-negotiable, right? Keep God first. This is a non-negotiable. So I don't even have to number this. Keep God first. Because without him, right, if he instilled these dreams and aspirations into us, how can we follow a path without the person who paved the way for us, right? So if I had a dream of becoming a full-time day trader, God instilled that dream and that aspiration in me. So how can I become a full-time day trader without the person who implemented that dream in me, who instilled that will in me to have that drive to become a full-time day trader? Without the man above, without the creator, without the person who put us together with his own, creating us, we are nothing. We are nothing. And we fall into the ways of the world. Right? So we're gonna we're gonna stay this is really my list behind being a full time day trader. It's not a crazy list, it's not nothing crazy on here because like I said, I live below my means. I don't do a lot. I don't I don't feel me. I keep it plain and simple and that's how it's supposed to be. Right? But I appreciate y'all for watching the video. I will catch y'all in the next one and peace.